Hi everyone, it is Healthy Vision Month, and I'm here to talk to you about a few tips for how to keep your eyes healthy. First of all, make sure that each year you're having a comprehensive exam. That means not just a vision exam. A comprehensive exam is where we go in and we dilate the eye and we do any testing that we need to make sure there are no underlying eye conditions other than blurry vision. It's very important to stay on top of that. Another way you can stay eye healthy is to be heart healthy. Stay active. Make sure you're doing something each day to get your heart rate up, and make sure that you're managing chronic conditions. A lot of people don't realize that other body conditions can affect the eyes. Some of those being diabetes, high blood pressure, and things of that sort. So make sure that you're staying heart healthy, and that will continue to help you be healthy in other ways as well. Another thing you can do is to protect your eyes. A lot of you are home now, and I know we're all working in our gardens and working on home improvement projects. Make sure that you're wearing safety goggles. You don't want to have an unfortunate accident while you're at home during these times. So always protect your eyes with safety goggles when you're working, or if you're playing contact sports of any kind. And you also want to protect your eyes from UV rays. So make sure that you're wearing sunglasses. UV rays are not just in the summertime, they are year round. So you always need a good pair of protective sunglasses, okay? So those are some tips on how to keep your eyes healthy during Healthy Vision Month. If you have any questions for us, or if you need anything, of course, Allied Eye is always here, and Dr. Matzkin is always here to help. Just give us a call. Thank you.